Just because you're stuck at home does not mean that you do not have the same access to courts to protect yourself from the actions of a domestic violator that you had before this pandemic. My name is Marc Emden, and I want to talk to you today about your continued ability to have access to courts to protect yourself and to get an order against somebody that is abusing you or your children in your home in Maryland. The same rules that applied before still apply. There are some minor differences about when you get your hearings that I want to talk to you about. But the reason for this talk today is to empower you about your rights and your ability to go down to any district court commissioner's office in the state of Maryland where you live, work, or are employed 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, with a petition for a protective order and get that order, get it served on the violator, and have them excluded from your home and from your life. You can get that form on the Maryland Judiciary website under peace orders or protective orders, or if you wanted to file a criminal charge, there's also a form that applies to applications for statement of charges, which is the form for criminal cases. The only rules that are now different is after you get your initial order, the courts are now scheduling your second hearing for anywhere from 30 to 45 days after you get your first order because of the coronavirus. And what's also different is at this second hearing to determine whether this first order should be extended for up to a year, whether or not you'll be permitted to appear in person or you'll have to appear by telephone. And that will be determined by the particular district court where you filed your petition for a peace order or protective order. Either way, you're still protected 7 days a week, all the time. You just have to be willing to take a chance to protect yourself and do the right thing to make yourself feel safe. My name is Marc Emden, and I can be reached at memden@emdenlaw.com, and my telephone number is 301-762-7007. Thanks for watching.